Combat accuracy is you can run your pistol in them situations a whole lot faster than you can other ones. So what we're going to do is the very first time when we're all on the line, take your time, get your first shot. You want to try to hit the black mark. Then we're going to manipulate the sights. The next thing we'll do is you'll take your front sight, go to the dot, like your good sight picture did. You'll take your pistol and raise it so the base of the front sight is at the top. Take your time. You want to try to hit right on that black dot. So line your sights up, do everything. The black dot is what you're shooting for. All right? Go. One shot at a time. One shot at a time. All right. Fire the one shot on you. Whenever you're ready. Line up your sights. Get that good position. Good idea to hit the black dot. Everybody got that done? Take your front sight this time and lower completely out so you can't see it behind your rear sight. Pistol shots, so they're going to be combat accurate, right? This next 5 rounds, I want you to run that pistol as fast as you can. Ready? Fire! You guys did a pretty good job. Everybody host. Fire! Ready? Fire! Fire!
Are we dropping and then?
You gotta drop that mag, reload, and shoot him before he shoots you. Ready, go! Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh, he's dead. Bam. Oh. Oh. See, that's why we only give you 1 round. The other words, you'll be running out them around the range. Woo! Oh, the same time? Woo! Ready to go.
don't have a holster for timing grade and you Indiana at the green. And then one of the fastest shooters in the world is from Michigan. I can't and I run a side by side. It took me that long to shoot the first one.
Yeah, 357. Some place.
You know what? So this weird. I look close to your extractor and the rod look correct. And that's the only thing that I was able to cause it.
So what do you think? I call Walter, my
Better gunsmith than me.
I call Walter.
Five in each magazine. 19.5 in each.
Get him?
Everybody.
All right, go, 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 go. It's over there, man. It's right there. Yes, go down, go down, go down so you don't fall. Shoot, 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 shoot. All right, go, 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 go. Come on, man. Shoot, 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 shoot. Oh, you trying to fake it, no? All right, go, 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 go. I got it, I got it. All right. Get down there, get to the gun. I'm trying to get them. Hurry up, hurry up. Come on, shoot, 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 shoot. All right, go, 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 go. It's over there, man. Come on. Come on. It's over there.
Hey, I've seen him like that on Friday.
Get to the gun, man. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Shoot, 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 shoot.
Holy crap!
Oh no, come on, you gotta keep going. Only when you change, don't start complaining. Yeah, right. Short time. And he gets to see. All right, go, 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 go. It's right there, man, it's right there. No, not there. Over here. Over here. Right here. Hurry up. Get to it. Shoot, shoot. Go, 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 go. Pass the gun up, man. The gun's over here. Get to the gun here, man. Pull fast.
Thank